You can create PowerPoint presentations in one simple click. Just describe what you need and click on this generate button, and the AI will create stunning PPT for you instantly. That too with the required text and visuals. And that's basically it. No need of manual editing. It's simply amazing that it can help us save so much time. This has to be the best AI app for creating PowerPoint presentations and also flowcharts and mind maps. Not only that, we can use this as an alternative for mid-journey as well. Simply describe your idea and it will generate it for you instantly. This is gonna make your life so much easier. We also have a ton of templates to choose from, but the AI magic is what sets it apart. Meet Wondershare EdrawMax. This AI-powered diagramming software simplifies this visualization, making it effortless for creating PowerPoints, flowcharts, or even graphic design work. My name is Prithviraj and I create videos on productivity, tech, and life. EdrawMax is an all-in-one diagramming tool that leverages AI to create stunning and professional visuals instantly. It's a direct competitor to apps like Microsoft Visio, and recently they have added this AI PowerPoint add-on. With a few simple clicks, you can transform plain text into engaging visuals, making your presentation much more dynamic and impactful. You can simply visit this website. Even if you don't want to download the app, it's gonna work. And from there, you can create PPTs directly. Just fill in all the details about the PowerPoint presentation, and then at the bottom, there will be an option called Generate PowerPoint Visuals with AI. Click on that and it will generate that for you. It's that simple. For example, let's add a prompt asking it to create a checklist for everything that is required to create a new tech-based YouTube channel. And as you can see, it will create a presentation for us. That too with all the desired visuals and graphics. And it will give us multiple options to choose from. You can simply choose anyone that you like, else you can regenerate it as well if required. Once you're happy with that, you can simply download the PPTX file and open it in Microsoft PowerPoint. Once you're happy with the PPT, you can simply go ahead and click this download PPTX file button and it will get downloaded. As you can see, you can check it on your web browser. After that is done, you can simply open it in Microsoft PowerPoint, and this thing is entirely customizable. For example, if you spot any mistake or you would like to edit something, you can do that instantly on Microsoft PowerPoint and it will make changes for you. And you can repeat the same steps with all these slides and make it your own. It was that simple, wasn't it? You can also access EdrawMax directly from inside PowerPoint. Once you open PowerPoint, EdrawMax should appear on the top menu bar automatically, and we can simply start creating right away. Using the AI, we can change the text, highlight, and do stuff like that. It will automatically turn your words into stunning slides with visuals. And the best part, zero manual editing is required. If you need diagrams, we no longer have to import and export files. You can just insert diagrams directly from EdrawMax. Except that we can of course do the basic stuff like editing text, colors, shapes in seconds. This is perfect for presentations, marketing materials, and more. We also have a lot of templates to choose from inside the EdrawMax app. This will make our life so much easy. Simply load up a template and then you can start working on that right away. We can change all the values and input your own data, and it will make the changes instantly. This will save us time as we don't have to manually create them, and also as you expected, we can export these templates as a PPTX file. And on the topic of templates, if we scroll down further, we get access to community templates section where we have even more templates to choose from. Pick one you like and you can start editing it straight away. And also, if you're finding this video helpful, then I'd really appreciate if you could consider hitting that subscribe button. Would definitely help me out a lot. There's another cool AI feature that you should definitely check out, and this one is the AI drawing segment. It's like generative AI built inside this app. You can simply select the type of resource you want to generate, and then you can simply describe your idea in the text box and it will generate that for you. Super clean, and you can rather generate many fun stuff from here. Now let's talk about the interface itself. The UI is very simple and clean, and everything is laid out right in front of you. We of course have both light mode as well as dark mode, and as usual I prefer the dark mode more. EdrawMax is totally cross-platform. We have an app for Windows, macOS, iOS, as well as on Android. We also have a dedicated segment for the graphic designers out there. You can simply edit posters, magazine covers, banners, and many more. Open a design and now you can edit everything and make it your own. All these templates will make your life so much easier. It's perfect for creating eye-catchy posters from prompts, text files, or PPTs. Now let's talk about the pricing. Here's a screenshot of the current pricing in Indian rupees, and here's a screenshot of US dollars as well. And as you can see, there are various plans available, both monthly as well as for yearly. And I have to say, they offer great value. And if you're not ready to commit yet, there's also a free version that you can try out. And moreover, you can create a few PowerPoint presentations for free. I'll be leaving all the links in the description, so make sure to check them out. Now you might be wondering, does this tool actually live up the hype? Well, after diving into its features, I can confidently say it's definitely worth checking out. What really stands out for me is how beginner friendly it is. Getting started to this app is super simple. So there we have it. EdrawMax isn't just another diagramming tool. It's a full-fledged solution for anyone looking to organize ideas or map out projects efficiently. Do let me know your thoughts in the comments. And now if you'd like to know more about productivity apps that will make your life even more smooth, then click here on this video, and over there we have discussed the 5 apps you should use daily in order to stay super productive. See you there.